Guys, this is the catch here. No experience is required as we offer full training and support as you embark on a rewarding career that will make a real difference. Guys, if you don't even have experience, they are willing to support and train you. Fully funded training up to QCF level 5. Guys, I found it. Congratulations to you if you want to move to the United Kingdom come 2025. This organization has been recruiting globally and they've been in existence since 1986. Guys, this is the real deal. They are recruiting globally from any country you can think of. They bring international applicants into the United Kingdom to work. Guys, that is not the only thing. They are going to give you visa sponsorship, meaning they are bringing you into the United Kingdom to work for free. They are going to sponsor your visa. They are highly experienced and they are licensed by the government of UK to bring you into the United Kingdom. Guys, let me show you right on their website. This organization is a UK visa and immigration license sponsor, helping you to realize your dreams of working in care across the UK. We are offering sponsorship to qualified nurse and senior healthcare assistant through the new health and care worker visa. Guys, did you hear that? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know so you can position yourself for this amazing opportunity. So guys, before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, I don't know what you are waiting for. It is free to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I post a new video, before a lot of people get to see it, you'll be able to take advantage of it before it gets saturated. Guys, please like this video, show me some love. I'm giving you this good news for free, so please, all I ask of you is to like the video. Thank you, God bless you, and please share with your friends and family that equally needs this opportunity, and drop your questions, your comments. I will try as much as possible to answer every single comment. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right in. So we are right on their website, and the name of this amazing organization is Aging Care, and they are located in the United Kingdom. We hire globally for UK carers. Then it is stated on their website that if we send you a job offer, we will never ask for money at any stage of the recruitment process. Our friendly teams are always here to help you, so just get in touch if you have any questions. You can see it clearly stated. You don't have to pay any money. If anyone is asking you to pay for a job offer, know of a truth that that is a scam. So for you to confirm that this is a legitimate company, they are telling you not to make any payment. So if you make any payment to anyone, you are on your own. And as far as I'm concerned, please, any opportunity I post here, don't make payment to anyone. So with that being said, let's move ahead. So you can see recruiting globally. Aging Care has always been proud to recruit globally because we understand that care is universal. We have opportunities across our living care, care home, and home care services, and welcome international applicants that meet our eligibility criteria for our UK jobs. So Aging Care is a UK visa and immigration licensed sponsor, helping you to realize your dreams of working in care across the UK. So they are licensed sponsors in the United Kingdom. That means the government has given them the license to sponsor anyone from any part of the world to come into UK to work. They have the license to sponsor you, so you can be rest assured that you are covered. We are offering sponsorship to qualified nurses and senior healthcare assistants through the new health and care worker visa. So guys, there are lots of open positions available right now. Guys, you want to come right here and click this menu button. You're going to come here and see careers. You can see a lot of opportunities for care homes, for home care, for living care jobs, and care assistants, as well as senior care assistants, registered nurses, and all of that. Guys, there are lots of opportunities here. So let's start from care home jobs. So if you click on it, it will take you to this page. So looking for a residential care home job. If caring for others comes naturally to you, you could be a care assistant in one of our care homes or nursing homes. We also offer care jobs for students. Guys, this is the catch here. No experience is required as we offer full training and support as you embark on a rewarding career that will make a real difference. For experienced care workers, we have a range of senior care assistants and registered nurse jobs. Guys, if you don't even have experience, they are willing to support and train you. So working in one of our care homes means that you can enjoy community and company with support from a friendly and professional team. Our family-owned care group has been providing professional care since 1986 and has grown to be one of the largest in England with 4,000 staff. We are committed to supporting career progression and growth and have recently introduced new and improved benefits. Coming down here, they say we are currently focused on recruiting care workers and nurses in our care homes in these locations. So you can see they need care workers and nurses in all these locations within the United Kingdom. So now let's check out the job openings. We're going to come back right up here and you're going to click search care home jobs. So guys, you can see a lot of opportunities here. You can use the filter if you want to choose by location, department, role, and all of that. You can see 121 results matched. Senior support worker, administrator, senior care assistant, support worker, care coordinator, night care assistant, activities coordinator, accounts assistant, account receivable assistant. Guys, it's not even limited to care jobs alone. Senior care assistant, kitchen assistant, administrator. You can see it goes on and on and on, guys. You just want to select anyone that matches your qualification and experience. So you might want to create an account with them. So you're just going to click create an account and you're going to put in your first name, last name, email. You're going to confirm your email, your password, and boom, you are done creating your account, so that it will be easy for you to navigate the website and to apply for jobs. Guys, these are the available opportunities, and mind you, I like to bring it real to you on this channel. So it is not all jobs here that are meant for international applicants. So you want to search for the one that is meant for overseas applicant. There are some jobs here because this is their website, so they have some job openings for those that are already in the UK, and there are other opportunities for international applicants. So you want to carefully check the requirements of the jobs and see if it is meant for you, especially if you are outside the UK. Guys, I hope you got that. So for as many people that comes on my video and just pick the link and go and apply, they would not get results. But if you have followed me here, you can get what I'm trying to say. There are lots of opportunities here, even outside the healthcare sector. Let's go and check the eligibility criteria. You must apply via the link on this page only. Submitting multiple applications will result in refusal of all applications. So guys, please try as much as possible to adapt to this instruction. Check the best option for you and apply. So if you have any question, you can send them an email here. So how do you apply? You must have a qualification in a health and social care related subject. Then if you are a nurse, equivalent such as paramedic or healthcare assistant, you must have qualification that demonstrates a proficiency level of English, spoken and written English, IELTS, overall band 6 and 5.5 for each module. Then you must have 1 or more year of clinical experience and look to further your career in health and social care in the UK. There are other job openings apart from the nurses, so you want to check that out. I had already shown you, like the kitchen assistant, like account receivable and all of that. So the Home Office scrutinizes each visa application, and once the application is made, it is only approved if you are assessed as suitable, if you are assessed as suitable for a visa. So of course the Home Office gives the final visa approval, but they are going to support you through the journey. So guys, you want to jump on it, make sure that your CV is well crafted in a robust format. Guys, don't just submit anyhow CV, make it attractive and highly competitive.